Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to snooze emails in Gmail. So let's suppose if I want to snooze any email, so as the inbox is open here, I would just point out to the email which I want to snooze. So let's, for example, we can take this email, and if I go to right of this email, I can see a clock icon which is named as snooze. So I just have to click on that icon. After that it will show me options like if I want to snooze it tomorrow, next week, next weekend, or I have to pick a date and time. So here we will take the option as pick a date and time as and when we want to. So let's suppose I want to change, so I would be putting the snooze to 29th of April and the time would be, let's say, 10 a.m. This is the time I am going to put it for snooze, and once I'm clicking on save button, so the email won't be visible in the inbox section, it will go to the snooze. If I want to snooze multiple emails, so I just have to click on those emails. After clicking on those emails, I just have to go to this section which is more, and in the more I have to click on snooze. Again it will ask me if I want to snooze it till tomorrow, next week, or next weekend, or if I want to pick the date and time. Again I can just click on any option like next weekend if I want to. Again these emails will disappear from the inbox and will go to the snooze option in the Gmail. After that, what I can do, if I want to find the snoozed email, I just have to go to the left section of the Gmail, and in that I have to click on snoozed. And in the snooze I can see whatever the mails I have put on in the snooze, they are visible here. And once the timing gets completed, then these mails gonna appear in the inbox section. So let's suppose if I want to remove them from the snooze, I just have to click on that mail. I just have to click on the icon here, and in the icon I have to click on snooze. So here it will show me tomorrow, next week, next weekend, if I want to change the snooze timing and the date. Otherwise, if I want to just unsnooze them, I can just click on unsnooze. If I do this option, this mail will disappear from the snooze option and will appear in the inbox. So that is how we can snooze and unsnooze an email. Thank you.